Hey everyone, it's me, Sherry. For today's video, I'm going to do that if I lost all my makeup and I had to replace, what would I buy? But I'm doing mine drugstore edition. So, because a lot of people, if for whatever reason lost all their makeup, there's probably a reason why they did it. Maybe it was a disaster, maybe it was stolen, and not everybody's going to have the money to go out and buy everything all at once, especially high-end stuff. So I'm going to do a drugstore edition. So if you guys want to see what I would buy if I lost all my makeup from the drugstore, then stay tuned for the video. Let's start off with eye primer. This is from, now you can't get this at a drugstore, you'd have to order it, but this is Shop Miss A's primer, and it's only $1, so I would buy that. For eyeshadow, I would get this Always Naked by Wet n Wild, because look at the colors. I'm more of a neutral girl than a color girl on a day-to-day basis, and this has like all the neutrals that you would need to start off with. I don't have an eyeliner with me right now from the drugstore, but I would pick the Essence liners. I forget what they're called. I'll try to link it down below if I can't remember, but they are like inexpensive and they last all day. So for your primer, I would pick the Halo Glow Liquid Filter from e.l.f. And for reference, because somebody asked me what color I'm in, where is the color name on this thing? I can't see it. I know it's on here somewhere. Anyway, I'll link it down below. Somebody asked me what color I am. I'll find out what it is and I'll get that. But I love that primer. My project pan item would be my foundation, because I love this. It has really good coverage for a tinted moisturizer, basically. Another project pan item I would add in there is the brightening concealer from e.l.f. because I really enjoy this, and I don't have darker circles, so, but this is brightening anyway, but that's what I would use. For a powder, I would take the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Instant Wrinkle Blurring Pressed Powder, because you could use this as a powder foundation or your setting powder. So for blush, I would get, it doesn't have to be this color, but I would get one of the, what are these called? Super Shock Cheeks. This is just the one that I have. It's the Tinkerbell one. This is I love this color. This is perfect for like the summer and stuff. But it could be any of these types of blushes. They're like a cream blush that dries down, so I really like those. For highlighter, again, it's Shop Miss A, AOA Studios. This is like a hybrid as well. This is like it's like creamy powder, but it's, look at it. It's so good. I like that. Or like the Essence Pure Nude. That one's really well too. Oh, and I don't have a mascara from the drugstore here with me, but I would choose the Lash Princess in the green tube because I really like that one. And for lips, I have two products. I can't go without this. I love it. Or some sort of lip oil, but I just love this because it's Snoopy. This is the Wet n Wild Tinsel Shine Lip Oil. And you can't, I would pick a lip gloss over a lipstick. And I would go with the butter glosses. There's a huge selection of colors and they're comfortable on the lips, so that's what I would pick. So that's what I would pick up right away. That would keep me going. I didn't pick a bronzer because I don't wear bronzer all the time. So if I was in a jam and I needed to pick up some new makeup, those are the things that I would go for. What would you guys replace first? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye, everyone.